Want an easy way to make braised beef short ribs? Alina Prakuta says to preheat oven to 360 degrees. Season 4 pounds short ribs generously with salt and black pepper. Preheat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil on medium-high in an oven-safe pot. Sear meat on all sides until brown and crispy. Remove and set aside. Sauté 3 to 4 chopped carrots, 4 garlic cloves, 1 large chopped onion, and 2 celery ribs. Stir in 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Cook for 2 minutes. Pour in 2 cups red wine. Add 2 bay leaves and 2 sprigs fresh thyme. Return meat to pot. Pour in 2 cups beef broth. Cover and place in oven for 2.5 hours or until meat is tender. Remove meat from pot and set aside. Skim excess fat. Strain liquid into a saucepan. Simmer until reduced. Serve short ribs with braising sauce. Accompany with mashed potatoes. Perfect! You did it! To get everything on the food rack, be sure to hit that subscribe button.